Hi, we are Electrosonic Group and we have walkie-talkies with us and like we deal with Motorola, Kenwood and many more models, Make in India, Aspera, Evox, Lenovo. So you can use these walkies in a rural area or where you want to use for tracking and all. You can use in many ways, in factories and for security purpose. I mean, you can use it like in a groundy area where you need to communicate within 2 kilometers range, and we have several ranges of walkie-talkies. Like earlier it was there that we used to need license for using these walkie-talkies, but nowadays for a hassle-free, government has approved these all brands for a license-free categories, so you can use in a very good way. So these are like mini radios, and you can see like it has a radium glow, and at night it used to raise the light. And beside that we have one more model which is POC based walkie-talkie. Like it is PTT with cellular, and you can use as a walkie-talkie also. So it has two PTTs with it, and like if you want to communicate within kilometer range, you can just push to talk, and if you want like with a long range, you can have a server concerns, and you can use all over world. We have more radios like in Motorola, the POC one, like these are the so it's same as mobile, a rugged piece which can be used in a very good way, and you can track the people who are doing their own concerns, and many more features are there. So now if you want your voice to be secured all over the crowded area, like this is, we have many models, but it is just a brief. It is a earpiece. You can just connect to a walkie like here, and you can place the earphone here, and with a jack like putting here, you can just communicate in a very easy way. So should I show you a demo of it?
Welcome.
See.
1. Welcome. 2.
So now you have to be in the same channel.
1.
Hello, check, mic test. Hello, check, mic test. So in this way you can use these walkies in any area where the network is not there, and we can do all the concerns. Thank you.
हमारे पास लाइसेंस फ्री में, लाइसेंस्ड में सारे वॉकी टॉकीज़ अवेलेबल होते हैं, मोटरोला, कैनवुड, एस्परा, लेनोवो, और हमारा खुद का ब्रांड भी है इवॉक्स, जिसकी रेंज 2 से 3 किलोमीटर के लिए भी है, और हमारे पास 1 से 1.5 किलोमीटर के लिए भी वॉकी टॉकीज़ हैं। लाइसेंस फ्री वॉकी टॉकी वायरलेस सिस्टम में कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट, कोई भी चीज़, रिपीटर, बेस स्टेशन, वॉकी टॉकी सब में डील करते हैं। और हमारा ब्रांच दिल्ली में नेहरू प्लेस देविका टावर में 10th फ्लोर पर है, और हमारा ऑफिसेज ब्रांचेस मुंबई, कानपुर, दिल्ली, कानपुर, कलकत्ता, पटना, गुजरात में, सूरत में हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं वॉकी टॉकी के, और आपको कहीं भी ऑल ओवर इंडिया सप्लाईज़ हैं वॉकी टॉकी की बाय कुरियर। 1 से 2 दिन में आपको कहीं भी चाहिए वहाँ पे आपके पास अवेलेबल हो जाएगा। कोई भी सर्विस रिक्वायरमेंट हो, सर्विस की हो, वॉकी टॉकी की हो, सब मिलेगा।